Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can get smooth, clear, high-quality lip sync just like mine, and that too, absolutely free. This one tutorial is going to solve all your problems, so make sure you watch it till the end, because I'll be clearly explaining each and every step so that you don't face any issues later while making your videos. Some people say that Temp Mail doesn't work. Some say image upload fails. Some say they can't get a high-quality model image. And others don't know how to write prompts properly. So today, I will solve all these problems for you. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make videos like mine without spending a single rupee. So don't skip any steps. And if you do, then don't come back to me saying that something didn't work. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. To get a high-quality image, the first thing we need is a fully detailed prompt, which only ChatGPT can help us with because it understands exactly what I mean. So first, go to ChatGPT and log into your account. I'm showing it using Google Login so that you can get quick access. Now in the prompt box, type in the following. I need a prompt to generate an image. I want an image of a fair-skinned Russian model with dark coffee brown hair, straight from the top and slightly curly at the ends. The model should be very beautiful, around 20 years old, with a slightly chubby look. Her eyes should have blue lenses, and her waterline should be highlighted with white color. Her makeup should be modern, like Latina-style makeup. The background should be a gully gaming studio. The entire focus should be on the model while the background remains blurred. Only her half-body should appear in the frame. Her head should be straight, and she should be looking directly at the camera. There should be no hand movement. Her hands must be resting calmly on her legs, which should not be visible in the frame. She should be sitting on a single sofa. The image should be generated in Ultra 4K resolution with a hyper-realistic, detailed look. So this is how I shared all the details with ChatGPT for the kind of model I want. You can also describe your own model in a similar way and ask ChatGPT to write the prompt for you. And if you want the same model as mine, I will add the prompt in the description. If you're finding it difficult to explain your details in English, don't worry. You can type everything in your own language. ChatGPT understands all languages and will respond in the same language. Just explain what you want and say, please convert this into an English prompt. Once you've typed your prompt details, just click on the arrow button to send. ChatGPT will now write the prompt based on your request. That's all for the prompt part. Now, let's move to the image creation process. To create the image, I always use Leonardo AI because it gives 150 free credits daily, and if they run out, we can always use Tempmail to get more. First, go to Leonardo and log in. Use Google for quick login. Once you've logged in, you'll see the Leonardo homepage. Click on Image, and a new page will open where we'll generate our image. This is the prompt box. Paste the prompt here that we got from ChatGPT. Oops, I forgot to copy the prompt. Let's quickly go back and copy it now. Once pasted, move to the settings on the left side. Select the model. Choose Leonardo Diffusion XL or Flux Deva, whichever you prefer. Image style. Choose Cinematic Portrait. Turn off Auto Prompt. Image ratio. Set it to 16:9. You can also choose another if you prefer. Now that all the settings are done, click on Generate on the right. The image will take a few seconds to generate, so let's wait. Once ready, Leonardo will give you 4 different images. Download the one you like best, and if none of them seem right, just click on Regenerate. If you want to make any changes, click Edit with AI and adjust as needed. I found an image I like, so let's move on to the next step. Now, for lip syncing, I'll be using HeyGen AI, which is my favorite tool. I'll add links to all the tools I'm using in the description. HeyGen allows you to generate 3 videos per month under the free plan, each up to 3 minutes long. Since I only need avatar videos for a few seconds, this limit is enough for me. But if I need more videos, I just use Temp Mail to log in again. You can use any Temp Mail, it will work without issues. Let me now show you how to use HeyGen. Once you log in, preferably with Google for quick access, you'll see an interface like this. Click on Avatar. On the top, you'll see My Avatars. Click on Create New Avatar. You'll get 3 options here, but we'll use the Custom Photo Avatar option. Remember, under the free trial, you can only create 3 avatars. If you reach your limit and want to create a new one, delete the old one that you no longer need. Click Select Photo, and make sure your photo is of good quality. Face should be clear, no filters. After uploading the photo, scroll down a little and you'll find the Upload button. Click on that. Now HeyGen will review your uploaded photo. If the photo meets their quality requirements, a green tick will appear on it. Click on Continue. Next, enter a name for your avatar. Choose the age group. I'm selecting Young Adult. Select Gender and click Continue. After a short loading time, your avatar will be ready. From here, you can even customize the look of your character. I won't be doing that for now because I'm using only one look. Click on your avatar and then click Create with AI Studio. Choose a frame for your video. Click on Script. Here you have 2 options. 1, you can type your script here. 2, or if you have a voiceover, you can upload it. I will be uploading my voiceover. Click here to add your audio. And then click on Submit Video. Now your video will begin processing. Wait for a few moments. Look how clean and smooth the final video is. In the free trial, HeyGen gives you 720p quality videos, which is more than enough for me. If you buy the subscription, you'll get higher quality videos. But for now, we're managing without it. When we get rich, we'll upgrade. For now, this will do. Now you might be wondering, wait, she didn't even explain how to use Tempmail? And you're right. I did say I'd explain everything. So let's talk about how you can use Tempmail to get unlimited credits on platforms like HeyGen and Leonardo AI. First, let's log out from our current account, the one we already used to create 3 videos. To do that, click here, then click on Log Out. Now click on Sign Up with Email. In a new tab, search for Tempmail and open the first link you see. You'll land on the Tempmail website, where you'll see a temporary email address. Just copy this email, go back to the HeyGen tab and paste it in the email field. Now click on Send Code. Head back to the Tempmail tab, scroll down a bit, and you'll see the mailbox appear below. Open the latest mail, and you'll find your verification code. Copy the code, go back to HeyGen, and paste it in the verification field. Now create a password, anything simple that you'll remember. I'm just filling it quickly here. Click on Create Account, and boom, your new account is ready. This is exactly how you can keep using Tempmail to get unlimited free access to HeyGen and Leonardo AI. So even if you've reached the limit once, don't worry. Just repeat this process with a new Tempmail, and you're good to go. So today you saw how you can add perfect lip sync to your image for free using HeyGen AI. Personally, I love HeyGen because it gives such accurate results. And if you've seen my previous videos, you already know that. So this was the full process, and I hope all your doubts are now cleared. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. I reply to each and every comment. And yes, if you like the video even a little bit, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because your 1 like and 1 subscription gives me so much motivation to keep creating these types of helpful videos for you all. I'll meet you in the next video with another amazing tip. Till then, take care and stay creative.